Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for coming along here today. First of all, let us thank to Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join in this meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadila Sri Amelia, and I am student college of Universitas Siliwangi. The presentation today is about why we should love ourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, let's open our meeting by saying basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you. Now let me begin by explaining the meaning of self-love. Self-love means that you accepted yourself fully, treat yourself with kindness and respect, and nurture your growth and well-being. Self-love is a state of appreciation for oneself that grows from action that support our physical, psychological, and spiritual growth. Self-love means having a high regard for your own well-being and happiness. Okay, next I will explain why we should love ourselves. First, when we love who we are, we accept who we are. Second, it gives you confidence and approval. Third, you will avoid self-reproach. Fourth, when you love yourself, you look better. Fifth, if you love yourself, you are more likely to have a better family life. And last, when you love yourself, the world around you changes. And next is why loving yourself will change your life. First, loving yourself makes you healthy both physical and mentally. Second, self-love can boost your confidence. Third, loving yourself allows you to easily forgive your failures. Fourth, loving yourself makes you more careless about what people think about you. Fifth, less insecurity, more humility. And this is the part how to be love ourselves. There are many steps to love ourselves, and the first, be willing to feel pain and take responsibility for your feelings. Second, move into the intent to learn. Third, learn about your false belief. Fourth, start a dialogue with your higher self. Fifth, take a loving action. And the last, evaluate your action and begin again as needed. And the conclusion of this material, self-love means taking care of your own needs and not sacrificing your well-being to please others. Self-love means not settling for less than you deserve. And why it will change your life? Because loving yourself makes you healthy both physical and mentally, can boost your confidence, and easily to forgive your mistakes. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the question and answer session. Please raise your hand. Don't forget to mention your name before giving the question. Any question maybe? Okay, Nadia, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, Fadila. My name is Nadia Nurjayanti. Before that, thanks for the explanation. Easy to understand. But why you choose this topic and why this topic is important?
Okay, thank you for your great question. I will try to answer it. Why I choose this topic? I choose this topic because I feel that in this era, there are still many people who can't love themselves. They are still like to feel insecure or feel that they have a lot of flaws. The topic of self-love is also very useful and inspires many people. I hope that many people understand the goals, and I want them to love themselves. And why this topic is important? Self-love meaning loving yourself. Self-love requires you to treat and accept yourself well and as you are. This topic is important because self-love is an important aspect of mental health. There are still many people who don't want to love themselves, so they don't care about their mental health either. That's why I want to bring up this topic so people know why they should love themselves. How? It's enough?
Enough.
Okay, thank you. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. I hope it's given you a new insight on self-love, and thank you so much for your time and your attention. See you next time. Thank you.